I am at the flight deck of a flying boat, and Bob is with me once again to tell us more about flying boats.
Well, here we are in the flying boat, the Sandringham flying boat in the Solent Air Museum. Flying boats are a special type of aircraft in that they normally float on water and then can rise on the water and then fly in the air. Unlike seaplanes, which they are conventional aircraft where the land undercarriage has been replaced by floats. Flying boats were used from the earliest times because they offered long range and good carrying capability, and they were in advance of land plane technology in the 1920s and 1930s, so they were seen as suitable for long distance air travel. In fact, the big step forward in flying boat operation was in this country in 1935-36, when a whole fleet of flying boats were bought by the National Airline, Imperial Airways, to connect up all parts of the British Empire, mainly for delivering the post, but also for carrying passengers. Normally flying boats would use pontoons, and people would get on and off with gangplanks, but in some remote areas they would just come up to a mooring on a lake or on a sheltered water, and launches would come out and take the passengers on and off. However, this was a time-consuming process, and although the flying boats did offer long-range air travel, they were very slow and uneconomic. The particular aircraft we're in was derived from the Empire boats, which were designed in the mid-1930s. It's quite large, wingspan is 112 feet, and length about 87 feet. Each pilot has 6 basic instruments in front of him to allow him to fly the aircraft in the dark or in bad visibility. This flying boat has 4 engines. There are 4 controls here in the middle. They allow us to put more power into the aircraft. The other instruments on the panel here are to do with the engines, and also we have an automatic pilot. But in fact, in this country, after the Second World War, we still commissioned our aircraft industry to build a new range of high-capacity, long-range flying boats to replace the pre-war boats that had been used before, and this was about twice the size of the boat we're in now. But unfortunately the market wasn't there, and there were only 3 built.
Yeah, so that was fun learning about aeroplanes.
We'll see you a lot later, and we're back to the studio.